In this video, I will show how to add processing conditions to a material information stack. The best way to get there is to use the My Materials app. And here, I will first look for my material, which is a metal injection molding feedstock. And to it, I'm going to add processing conditions as shown below. This is the material for which I would like to add process information. The processing of metal injection molding grades is done by injection molding process. So the first thing I need to do is to add injection molding as a processing step, and I will do so. At this point, I can now add things like drying conditions and other stuff to it. So and this material processes at 160 degrees centigrade. So I will arrange my barrel profile for that temperature, ending with the final processing temperature of 160. So let's go with that, and 140 to 145. And mold temperature of 40 centigrade. I can put in the additional information if I wish at this point in time, and update. I can add additional processing steps depending on the material, for example, dewatering, debinding, and or sintering steps as needed. But in this particular case, I'm dealing with a feedstock, and this is the conditions for that feedstock. This information is now stored in the system. I can proceed now onward to do something very interesting, because I can go to the CAE modeler and possibly send this off to mold-flow simulation along with the processing information I've just entered. So for my work group, I'm going to find this material. The software is translating the data for use in mold-flow at this time, which includes the viscosity, PVT, thermal properties, etc. But now also including the processing information, which will be visible out here. So this data that we put in previously as processing information for this material is now appearing here, and when we download it into a UDB file, it will be transmitted alongside for use by the software.